Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to calculate monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. So calculating monthly budget in Microsoft Excel is very easy and very important. So in this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how to create or how to calculate monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. So complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. I will take it a token of appreciation. Your support is very important for me, so please kindly subscribe my channel and support me. So let's start the video. So this is my Excel sheet. I have designed a monthly budget table for you. In the left side, I have taken the incomes, and in the right side, I have taken the expenses. So friends, in the income section, source contain salary, freelance and other income, and in the left side expenses there are categories like rent, utilities, groceries, transportations and entertainment. All these sources and category contain the amounts. So in the income side we have to calculate the total income, and in the expense side we have to calculate the total expense here. For calculating the total income, simply select the cell and write the formula. The formula for calculating income is sum, so write equal sum, open the bracket and select the cells. We have to select all three cells here, close the bracket and press enter button. See, this is the total income. The expense side we have to calculate the total expense. For calculating the total expense, simply select the cell and write the formula equal sum, open the bracket and select all the cells of expense here, close the bracket and press enter button. See, this is the total expense. This is the total income and this is the total expense. Now here we have to calculate the total savings. For calculating total savings, we have to learn the formula of total savings. The formula is total income minus total expense. So to calculate total savings, simply select the cell, write the formula equal, select the cell of total income minus select the cell of total expense. Press enter button. See, this is the total savings of the month. So that's how to calculate monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. And if you want to make it even easier, you can download my free budget template. So the link is in the description below. Download the budget template and practice yourself. If you have any question about the entire process, so please tell me in comment section. And if this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.